Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Clash Royale app crashing after an update. If Clash Royale crashes after an update, the updates may not have been installed clearly. First of all, restart your phone. This clears leftover update processes. Now check if there is a small follow-up patch in the app store and install it. After that, close background apps, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close any background apps that are running. Also close Clash Royale, then reopen it. This will clear temporary glitches. Now, if crashes continue, go ahead and long press on the Clash Royale app icon and then remove the app, then delete it. To reinstall, open App Store and search for Clash Royale and reinstall it from there. Make sure your account is linked to Supercell ID before doing this. After reinstalling, post-upgrade crashes usually stop completely, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.